Hello everyone, welcome to Surya's Easy Maths. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at home. So now let us begin our maths class. Dear children, first I wanted to tell you one important thing. That is, tables are most important to solve multiplication and division problems. So children, learn tables 2 to 20 compulsorily. If you will learn tables, then you can easily solve problems on multiplication and division. So now let us start our class. Our today's topic is how to divide number by using multiplication tables. So now let us see with an example. So here we have 24 erasers with us. Yes children? And now we have to divide it in 4 groups. So let us write this in division form. That is 24 divided by 4 is equal to what? So let us find. So for dividing 24 by 4, we have to see when does 24 comes in the table of 4. Children, let us recall the table of 4. Yes, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 sixes are 24. So children, 24 comes when? In the table of 4? Yes, 4 sixes are 24. So when we divide 24 by 4, we get 6 as quotient. That is answer. So here I write 6 as the answer. Therefore, each group will get 6 eraser. Yes? Now, let's see such more examples. So here our next example is 18 divided by 6 is equal to what? So children, here which table we have to see? Can you say me? Yes, here we have to divide 18 by 6. So we will see the table of 6. So children, start recalling the table of 6 with me. Yes, start. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. So in the table of 6, where does 18 comes? Yes, at 3. Therefore, 18 divided by 6 is equal to 3. So we write 3 as quotient. That is answer. So dear children, you saw how tables are important for solving the problems? Yes, so everyone should learn tables. Now, let's see another example. That is 0 divided by 38 is equal to what? So, can you say me which table you are going to think? Dear children, here third property of division is applied because when 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is always 0. So, 0 divided by 38 is equal to what? Yes, you are correct. That is 0. So, answer is 0. Children, always remember, when any number is divided by 0, the quotient will be always 0. Now, let's see one more example. 42 divided by 42 is equal to what? So children, observe carefully. What will be the quotient of this? Yes. Do you remember something? Recall the properties of division. Yes, correct. 42 divided by 42 is equal to 1. Why? Because it is a second property of division. When a number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1. Yes, because 42 ones are 42. So 42 divided by 42 is equal to 1. Now let's see one more example. 72 divided by 8. So children, what we have to do here? Can you say me? Yes, here we have to think the table of 8. So let us recall table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 sixes are 48. 8 sevens are 56. 8 eights are 64. And 8 nines are 72. So here comes 72 in the table of 8. Therefore, 72 divided by 8 is equal to 9. So here I write 9 as the answer of 72 divided by 8. Now, let's see one more example. That is 25 divided by 5 is equal to what? So children, which table we are going to see? Yes, we are going to see the table of 5. So in the table of 5, when does 25 comes? So let's recall. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. And 5 fives are 25. So, here the 25 comes in the table of 5 at 5 times. So, the quotient is 5. So, now let's see another example. That is 45 divided by 9. So, children, which table we are going to see? Yes, we are going to see the table of 9 in which when does 45 come? So let's recall the table of 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 twos are 18. 9 threes are 27. 9 fours are 36. And 9 fives are 45. So when does 45 comes in the table of 9? At 5 times. So 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. So here we write 5 as the quotient. Now let's see the last example. 49 divided by 7 is equal to what? So which table we have to recall? Yes, table of 7. So let's recall and see when does 49 comes in the table of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42 and 7 sevens are 49. So children, 49 comes in table of 7 when? Yes, on 7 sevens are 49. So therefore, 49 divided by 7 is equal to 7. So here I write 7 as the quotient of 49 divided by 7. So now children, I hope that you all have understood how to do division by using multiplication tables. If you like this video, then please press on like button and also give your valuable comments. And don't forget to subscribe Surya's Easy Maths. And please press on bell icon for more notifications. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.